Most people think YouTube rewards views. It doesn't. It rewards watch time. Two videos can get the same clicks, but the one people watch longer gets pushed harder, earns more ad revenue, and keeps growing for years. In this video, I'll break down the exact retention mechanics YouTube uses and how faceless AI channels can exploit them ethically. First, CTR gets the click. Retention gets distribution. Session time gets promotion. YouTube wants people to stay on the platform, not just your video. Retention compounds. Views don't. Why long videos win? More minutes watched, more opportunities to place mid-rolls, more total satisfaction delivered. Why calm videos outperform loud ones? Lower fatigue, higher trust, fewer exits. Why education keeps attention longer than entertainment? Progress is tangible and self-rewarding. Each minute passed increases commitment. That compounds your chance to be suggested again. The algorithm follows behavior. Longer, calmer learning journeys send stronger signals. So, CTR gets the click. Retention gets distribution. Session time gets promotion. Repeat it until it changes how you write. Retention compounds. Views don't. YouTube heavily weights the first 30-60 seconds. Viewers decide instantly if your video is worth their time. Most creators waste this section. Don't open with long intros. Don't lead with branding. No rambling. No apologies. State the problem in one clear sentence. Promise clarity, the specific outcome they'll leave with. Tease what's coming later without overhyping. Your intro should reduce uncertainty, not create excitement. Use this. Problem, plan, payoff. One sentence, outcome-oriented, zero fluff. Write your intro last, after you know the value you actually delivered. A certain opening keeps more people to minute one, which compounds everything after. Reduce uncertainty, increase watch time. Problem, plan, payoff, then deliver. Humans hate unfinished information. Curiosity creates mental tension. Open loops delay satisfaction, which sustains attention. Use. Later in the video, most people miss this. This part matters more than it sounds. Don't overtease. Always close loops. Respect viewer intelligence. Retention is structure, not manipulation. Stack small answers with bigger payoffs coming. Satisfaction released on time builds trust. Rule: open one loop, close one loop, then open the next. The reward for staying must outpace the urge to leave. Too fast, too monotone, no pauses, short sentences. One idea at a time. Natural silence. Silence increases retention more than speed. It gives the brain time to process. It reduces fatigue. It feels confident. Speak at a steady cadence. Breathe. Let meaning land. Spacing increases average view duration. Short, clear, paused. That's how AI voice wins. Retention is visual change, not visual quality. Change scenes every 3-6 seconds. Micro-movement matters. Text anchors attention. Use gentle zooms. Use calm pans. Highlight keywords on time with your voice. Add progress indicators to reduce uncertainty. Movement without meaning exhausts the viewer. Aim for a 4 to 6 second beat as your base. Cycle A-roll, insert, overlay, then return. Build repeatable edit macros to keep pace consistent. The eye needs movement, the brain needs meaning. Cycle variety without chaos, anchors reduce exits at transitions. Stock footage works when timing and meaning align. Most videos lose viewers at minute 3 to 5. Energy dips. Information overload hits. Distraction wins unless you reset. Fix it. Reset the topic. Summarize briefly. Tease the next section. Change visual rhythm. Before we continue, this next part is where most people get confused. So pay attention. A respectful warning increases focus. Use chapter markers to signal structure. End the reset with a clear promise. More watch time equals more mid-rolls. More mid-rolls can raise RPM. Calm pacing increases completion. Long videos don't hurt retention. Bad pacing does. No personality fatigue, no parasocial dependency. Timeless content scales over years. Evergreen topics compound ad revenue. Long, calm, faceless, sustainable, and premium. Over-editing, fast cuts, loud music, hype tone, chaotic content signals, low control, low-trust audiences underperform. Sensational framing reduces quality placement. Calm viewers watch longer. Calm viewers earn more. YouTube measures what viewers watch after your video. End screens matter. Series matter. Offer a logical next video. Continue the topic. Avoid random uploads. If someone watches 3 of your videos in a row, YouTube treats your channel like a premium asset. Designed for sequences, not one-offs. In the next video, I'll show how to structure an entire faceless channel like a TV series, so every video feeds the next and ad revenue compounds automatically. Watch that next if you want YouTube to work for you, not against you. CTR gets the click, retention gets distribution, session time gets promotion. Retention compounds, views don't. Cue the next episode now. Keep your session alive.